Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Comfort Suites, Manheim location here in Manheim, Pennsylvania. The Schindler 330a. Go up to 3. Here on the 3rd floor. Go back down to 1. Cabin itself looks very basic for a newer Comfort Suites property. It's got carpeted floors. These are your HTVR fixtures. And there's your floor deck here. Not sure what the capacity is on this elevator. Here are 1. Takes a bit to level. We're back at 1. Take it back at 3, we'll get a view of the guest floor. Take a second level up here. There goes the elevator. And while we're up here, we'll take a look around. Behind that door is the housekeeping area. Got an ice machine. Got a couple chairs outside the elevator with a table. Got a Christmas tree as well. Got a mirror right there. Hi. Alright, so here's a view of the guest floor. We'll give you about this window since it's the most exciting view. Can't really say the view is like very exciting, but just a view out towards the parking lot. I think there's some houses or something over there as well. In no area you can kind of see Route 283. Anyways, it's not the best view. There's your stairs. Alright, let's take it back down the elevator now. And here's the elevator. What I find interesting is that they have standard HT buttons on the COP or the call stations, but inside the elevator they have VR. So let's take it back down to 1, we'll end the video. Here we're at 1. Alright, so that was a rather basic newer Schindler elevator here at the Comfort Suites, and there it goes, and that's it.